Alright, for you guys that like the larger units here, this is a rooftop unit with doors and lights and more. So evaporator coil. A few times as people service it. We'll close that door up. A little bit further down the unit here. Just finished changing out all the filters. So here's our filter rack. There's our let's see, bottom is fresh air, top is return air, and all across the top of this unit, that's the return air plenum. Let's turn the lights off to this room. So here's the condenser coils. Now keep in mind these have had a long life. If I remember right, this unit's as old as I am. Got a little bit of repairs I need to quote here. It's got 6 3-phase 575 condenser fans. You come in here. We have a room with an air compressor. It's got an air dryer. And then we have a boiler and 3 35 horsepower compressors. I just heard the condenser fans come on, so one of these should be starting shortly. Here's the disconnect for the unit. Normally I frown on a disconnect being inside the unit, but in this case we'll say okay. There's the expansion tank. Let's see. Now the wiring diagram for this unit is long gone. So when there's a wiring problem, I'm usually the one that gets called. Because, you know, that's how it works. When you're the electrician at the company, you get called for things like this. As we wait for that compressor to start, see if I can find a year here. No, I don't see a year clearly listed. This is odd, the compressor should be starting right away. But in the meantime, there's our boiler here. So Duramax A.O. Smith. We've got pot feeder there. Got a hose bib I got to replace. Compressor just started up. That controls all the pneumatics in the building. So there's one of the issues of having DDC control everything about a unit. When the DDC controls when the compressors come on, sometimes you get that little bump and there's just a little glitch in the program. But if the programmers don't know about it, they won't fix it. So first stage compressor should be starting shortly. We actually might have the protection module starting to fail there. So, yeah. I got a little bit of work here.